friends, welcome back to my channel Simple and Easy Cooking. And today's recipe is rice, jeera rice, cumin seed rice. This is the basic recipe that you can make and serve it with any dal or non-veg dishes that you simply serve rice with any dish. So I'm taking about 1 cup of basmati rice. So you make sure you have a good quality of basmati rice, and I'm taking 1 cup of, and I soak them for 15 minutes and then I wash them. And we need cumin seeds, salt, cooking oil, and about half a cup of green peas. I'm taking the frozen one. If you have a fresh one, you can use those too. And water. We need 2 cups of water because we are using 1 cup of rice, so double the water, 2 cup of water. So let's get started. I already turned on my stove, so I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil that you prefer. When oil gets hard, make sure it's hard so the cumin seed crackles, because this is the main ingredients. It's gonna give the cumin aroma and flavor to the rice. So I'm taking about 1 teaspoon. You can see they're all crackling. And now I'm going to add salt. I'm using 1 teaspoon. You can use as your taste, but 1 teaspoon is enough for 1 cup rice. Now I'm going to add my rice. So it's a very simple and basic, but it tastes amazing. Now I'm going to add my water. So it's 2 cups of water. I'm not adding my peas right now because they are frozen, but if you're using a fresh green peas, you can add that time. These are like, they don't need too much cooking. So now we're going to cover it and cook it on a medium heat. I'm going to check it in after 5 minutes. So it's about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my peas and going to mix it. Cover it, and you need to cook until all the water is soaked. So do it on the medium heat so we can check in every 3 to 4 minutes. So now I turned off my stove, and you can see there's no water, and the rice are done. So totally they take like 15 to 16 minutes for cooking. So now just cover them, turn off the stove, and leave it like for 15 to 20 minutes, and then serve it. I hope you guys like this recipe, so try this recipe at home. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment box if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you so much, guys.